So, since we are ready, now let's shift our attention to Coach Ran. So, Coach Ran, it's your time.
Recording in progress.
Right, so yeah, can you hear me, guys? Hello, sound check, mic test, testing,
Yes po, Coach.
1, 2, 3. All right, sige. For tonight, we'll just focus sa sa GHL. So let me share my screen. All right, so can you see my screen? Can you type 1 to confirm? Ayan. All right, sige. Alright, so ito yung mga topics natin previously. I think we've covered a lot since since the first webinar that we had. So we're done with the like understanding domains, marketing funnel types, the different types of funnel, the principles of funnel design, difference between uh funnel landing page and website. Yeah, we're yeah, even principles of design, no? Funnel design, creation, we have even mock-up design. And lastly, we just had funnel design creation part 2. But the question is, saan natin siya i-host? Or ano ba yung like first step for you to to implement this funnel designs that you're having, no? So, ito siya. Ito yung objective natin for tonight. So, it's let me just share share present. Okay. So this is not just limited to to Accio. As long as you have like GHL account. So ito yung gagamitin natin na platform or CRM kasi this is a all-in-one like platform for marketing. In this webinar, we'll just use Accio as our main platform or an account. And this is our objective. So, I mean, agenda. So, first, we're going to take a look at GHL. And next is like the Accio sub account, no? And the knowledge base, if ever you have any questions. So, for sure, you can like, we're going to navigate saan yung resources if you have any questions. The business profile optimization, the dashboard overview, the conversions, and then the contact information. Okay, so anyone here who's using Accio as their main sub account? Can you type, one? If ever you're using, Accio sub account to create funnels sa marketing nyo. Yeah. Ayun, so I think, how about for those, who's not using Accio as their platform to create websites landing page? Can you type 2? And type 3 if you don't have any like uh if you don't have any platform pa to start. Okay. So yeah. So we have 3. All right. So I'll share my screen ulit. Maybe I can open my mirror muna, no? So for those who type 3, so ito yung mga tao na wala pang site builder or mga tool na gagamitin para to develop or create their first funnel. I know some of you who's using WordPress na. Do you have WordPress user here? Or system.io? Can you type 1 if you have used WordPress or System.io, Elementor, yung mga ganon na page builders? Yeah, Tessa have tried it. So, ano siya? So, in the past, ayun, in the past. Yeah. Okay. Alright. So, ito yung first natin. We're going to take a look at JHL muna. So, JHL, this is jhl.com ba yan siya? Ito. So, this is the main platform na gagamitin natin for our funnel designs. Kasi we want you to implement na the things that you've learned. Kasi it's best pa rin to practice, no? Alright, so this one. Or go high level. And this is in demand na ano, na skill. So that's why we choose this kasi ano na siya like all-in-one platform. For example, if you're having a MailChimp account, yun. If you're having a MailChimp for your email marketing, Kajabi for your courses, lead pages for your site building, and what else? This one, Google Analytics as your analytics tool. Ano pa ba yung familiar sa atin here? Ito siya, like, Google Sheets, Facebook ads. This is for social media. And even now, we can connect Messenger as our chat automation or chatbot, no? And even like YouTube. So, with this all-in-one combined, ito na si JHL ngayon, no? But to have access or to use this all-in-one system or tool, you need to pay around mga 17,000. Ganun yung pricing niya. But with Accio, it's 800 pesos per month lang. So Accio.io payment plan. So ito na. These are the things that you'll be getting, no? Like unlimited funnels, unlimited domain hosting. This is domain hosting, meaning we'll just host your domain. But you need to find your domain pa or register it. Or you need to purchase it pa. So this is like outside sa ano ha. We only host but we are not providing domains. So you need to purchase it somewhere sa GoDaddy or name.com. Yun siya. And unlimited automations na tayo sa Accio. And yun, my social media ano na siya. The only difference between these packages is the number of email sent per day. So if you're starting pa lang, I think hindi naman siya abot ng 250 emails per day. Except if you're having 1,000 leads and you're sending it every day to nurture them, diba? So you need to upgrade your plan. But so far, that's only 800 pesos, no? Per month. Alright, sige. So you can like choose na, but rest assured lahat ng features ng JHL is naka-Accio na rin. That's rest assured. Okay? So eto siya, this is the platform. If you like get to subscribe or nag-try ka for 1 month, we'll be processing your sub account, no? So you'll be having your own dedicated account here inside. And then, you'll be having access then sa ating Accio Academy. This one. So, I'll just maybe type the ano. So, eto siya. It will be sent naman on your email if you get to subscribe, no? This one. And you'll be having access to this, ano, like Academy. Like how to set up your, ano, like dashboard, your social media. May ano din tayo here for how will you going to create your booking appointment, your first funnel automation. Yeah, there's a lot. But ano lang, disclaimer, this was created a year ago. So some of the videos here are not yet updated pa. That's why we're doing this webinar if baka there are changes na onto this. But the structure naman or the content is in here pa naman. Like you can like see naman the result, same result. May nag-change lang maybe sa UI, but the features are there. Okay? So let's take a look at sa dashboard once you get this Accio, you have two options. You can like go to like, eto siya, go to WordPress. Kasi si WordPress, may ano yan siya, like Elementor plugin for site builder. So itong site builder na to, you can like create website. If you're having a lot of clients or even a client, or if you are a business owner, you can create ano naman like websites here. May mga templates na din sila. But having WordPress, you need to like have a web hosting provider. This is like can you like name some of the famous web hosting provider here in the Philippines? Or maybe international? Yeah, can you chat? Anyone? Cloudflare. Yeah, that's correct. We have Cloudflare is ano to siya, like CDN. But you can also host your website here. We have GoDaddy, of course. We have Namecheap, if anyone familiar with this. And ano pa, SiteGround. Yan. Yan yung mga famous na ano, na mga web hosting provider. So meaning, you're going to pay extra. Yeah, Hostinger. Ayun. Hostinger is very cheap then, no? Hostinger. Yeah. But the problem here is you need to pay extra amount. So yung mga cost nito is it depends on to the storage na you'll be getting. So maybe we can like take a look at some examples. So ito siya, actually this is my preference if like premium client yung nagpapagawa sa akin previously sa ano, sa WordPress. So this is their package. So as you can see here, it depends per month yung babayaran mo to them. Depende sa number of website, the number of storage, diba? And then the ano lang, the bandwidth na makaya niya per month. So it's kind of limited here. So if you're going to think $4, so let's convert it to like $4. Ilan ba yung $4 ngayon? Nag-increase na ba yung dollars na naman? So let's try to calculate. So it's 235 pesos, no? Tama. 235 pesos. So that's 235 times, because you're going to pay it yearly, times 12. So that's approximately 2,800 or 3,000 per year yung babayaran mo. And it's limited lang. You're very limited to the number of storage. The good thing about our server, ito siya. Later na lang. So, later ko na lang siya i-disclose. So, for example, this is, let's just say 3K per year. No? That is an extra. So, this is it. For System.io, anyone who's using System.io here? I think that was Tessa, correct? And yeah, can you type 1 if you have managed to use System.io for your landing pages or funnel designs? Ayun. So wala pang gumagamit ito in this group. Are you sure? Or nahihiya lang kayong mag-ano? Says coach, ayun. Parang na-delete. Okay. Anyways, baka mayain lang yung mga tao dito sa ano natin ngayon sa webinar. But this is System.io. There is a free version as well, but you're just limited to publishing one funnel or one landing page. So this is a drag and drop feature as well, no? So ito siya. All of the design principles naman throughout sa webinar natin, you can like apply, no? Lahat ito siya with a different platform lang. This is just an advice for you guys, no? Para you can like optimize your sales as well. You don't need to like think for a resource, like 3 funnels are free. Okay, so that's 3 funnels pala. I thought it's 1 funnel. Okay, so that's 3 funnel. Okay. So after that, after you created your 4th funnel, so I think there's a payment na. So meaning there is an extra fee talaga with System.io. But what have you noticed here? So System.io is just a site builder, diba? Wala siyang like email platform. Wala siyang talaga, hindi talaga siya specified for automation. If you want to integrate this one with automation, then you need to naman like click funnels, 'di ba? So that's another cost na naman. And they are sitting in different platform or different server. So what will happen if System.io will be down for 24 hours, no? So affected yung business mo. And for example, you're hosting then your emails sa MailChimp, 'di ba? And if one of those will going to down, so like talaga siya, it will going to affect the business or yung business ng client mo. So that's a very big problem for you. And you don't want to be to be stressed out just because of that, no? And Accio, ito na si Accio. Again, there's a lot of tools, no? But one of the best, no? Like I myself doing this for a long years na, but JHL really stands out talaga kasi all-in-one na siya. You don't need to learn email marketing sa MailChimp on that platform, like daming settings sa ClickFunnels, iba yung and then the downtime, that's the problem as well. But with Accio, that's almost lahat is unlimited. Unlimited storage siya, unlimited contacts, unlimited automation. And yeah, there's a lot of unlimited except for emails, no? The number of emails per day na isa-send. Yeah, sorry po late. Natapos lang. Yeah, that's fine. All right, so that's it. I hope you got a bit of insight. But if you want to learn more about this, we are having Facebook page naman, like the Accu Insider Community. Post ka lang doon ng question if ever you have any questions. Okay? Alright, sige, let's proceed. Let's take a look at inside what's this. Ano ba yung environment? Kasi if you go to a certain place, you cannot master the place, diba? You need to like roam around, like test all of the routes, or you should know people muna bago you can like interact with them. So it's like here in using platform as well, we need to like see the tabs, the features inside. So this is not a very in-depth I'll just navigate you through the system. So sa dashboard, this will going to give you the statistics, the numbers, no? Kasi numbers won't lie. If your business is going down, so you can like detect here. So you can see it everything here. Sa conversations, ano lang siya like this is your yung email sending or yung CRM na talaga or yung customer relationship management system mo. So this will be like your like your system for contacts or customer, like your lead generation. If you reply here sa email, automatic na yan ma-receive nila sa email. So see, without opening Gmail app, you can respond to your and that will be like sent sa mismong email nila, respective email. If they're using Gmail, Outlook pa ba yan? Yeah, you don't need to open those email platforms just to send those emails sa kanila. Okay? So calendar, you can like set up your calendar here. For example, your business is just open for 24 hours. I mean for 9 to 5 ba ganun. And how many slots are you going to cater? And you can see here as well yung mga nag-book ng appointment. No? Maybe you can like take a look at some or real example. Let's take a look at Accio na sub account. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can like drop it, no? And we're going to answer that before we end. So this is like actual application na after the things that you've learned, we're going to apply it na para you can have a progress. And then you can like start catering to clients if you want. So let's make it in a monthly view. All right, I think this is naglo-load siya kasi there are a lot of appointments this month. Ayun. All right. And so this is an example, no? Like these are the people who book an appointment sa Akio for this month. So in your business or in your client, you can like show them the some of the features inside. So for example, this one, you can see the details, like depende yan siya sa anong inask mo sa kanya during the form submission if you want to like ask their details. So that's calendar, no? Next is contacts. So this is ano then like the contacts, like how are you going to like if you want to tag them based on grouping. So yeah, you can like feel free here inside, and you can like see all of the data. So opportunities, this is how you can like track all of the people who's coming inside your ano, and this is binded with ano with the automation. So you need to be ano then familiar with automation if you want to take advantage on this. So these are like the people who like did not show up thinking about it and denied stage, right? And for the payments as well, if you're having a finance department or ano, you can like create ka ng invoice template, and you can like track all of those people na hindi pa nagpay sa business, yung mga nagbayad na, if they are having a problem. And you can create automation. For example, if hindi pa siya nagpay within 1 week, send tayo ng email sa kanila. So everything will be like automated na. You don't need to call that client, that customer like, hi Sir JR, can I ask for an update sa payment mo? So you don't need to do that, no? Or your staff will no need to do that na. Kasi the system will do it for you. But it depends if you want to call that customer as well. You have those data naman inside. Now for the marketing, this is a very great as well. This is, we can replace Hootsuite na system if you're an SMM and you want a scheduler for your business. Like if you want to post your content to a lot of social media platforms, then this will going to help you sa marketing. And automation, of course, this is the magic happens na inside. So this is like responsible na sa pag, if there are nagbook ng appointment or nagsubmit ng form, there are a lot of automation or ano, this is the logic or the backbone na talaga or the back end ng business, no? So for the sites, dito talaga tayo magpe-play around sa sites kasi nandito yung mga funnels natin, no? Yung mga designs natin so far na na-create. And baka we'll be having ano din, maybe a challenge or something like that, no? Na wherein you're going to create funnels and we're going to host it. And then, yeah, maybe you can like choose. But the goal there is ano, ito siya. This is where the websites are located, no? So example is this. So this is an example, like if you want to create, no? So you can like feel free, you can like drag and drop, change this. But you need to have a copy before you can like start. I think I've discussed this one last time na that it's very vital or very important for you to have a copy kasi ano copy paste mo na lang yung content and maybe some graphics na lang, no? So this is an example on that, no? So even this, you can like achieve this kind of result. Kasi you can like inject it with CSS if you're familiar. And this was discussed last time sa previous webinar natin sa funnel creation part 2. But if you want na basic lang, you can do it as well. Like maybe you can do some examples and you can like take advantage as well sa free templates. This is 1,000 plus free templates, no? So there are a lot of categories as well here. So if you want to have a marketing funnel, ayun, it will be choose ka na lang and then replace it with your business details. As easy as that. 'Di ba? You don't need to be like 5 years experience na designer to do this. Kasi there are a lot of resources na all you need to do is like copy and paste. I think that's not difficult. But if the client really wants to have a very premium or yung may design na sila in advance and they want it to be implemented, then you can like let someone do it for you. 'Di ba? We have a community naman. So you have your colleagues here. You can like here, for example, here sa community, ito siya. We have like share hiring alerts here. So you can like post funnel related lang ha. Hindi na yung like others. But if it's like automation, funnel design, social media, we can like help you on that. But if that's na like HR or maybe cashier, don't post it here sa community natin. Make sure na it's lang focus lang tayo with our community. So all you need to do is like write ka lang ng post, like for example, LF, 'di ba? Yeah, looking for funnel designers. Ito, and then add your details here. For example, our company is looking for experience. Let's just say experienced funnel designer. Then you can funnel designer. And for example, rate is like $20 per hour. Diba? And ASAP. And maybe you can like attach some images related to that. It depends. Post ka na lang here. So this is the power of a community. So this one, para we are aware as well. Okay. All right. So if you have like like other questions about this, YouTube is your friend. Ito siya. So search lang kayo, for example, how automation with Go High Level. So Go High Level yung isa-search nyo. Kasi if you search with Actio, wala pang result. Hindi pa kami active sa YouTube, no? So focus lang with Go High Level. Anyway, lahat ng features ng Go High Level, you can implement it the same way kasi we just cloned JHL and rebrand it with Actio. And pinamura natin siya para we can help a lot of Filipino business owners or freelancers. That's the goal. So if you are going to search about the system, all you need to do is replace Actio with Go High Level. Okay? Gets lang so far? All right, so I think that's it with our yeah. Maybe we can start catering questions. Do you have any questions, guys? It's your time to ask. Especially if you're stuck with maybe design or within GHL. And if we have time, we can like take a look at it and try to resolve if you want.
Time for question, guys. If may queries kayo or nagugulan kayo sa isang part, pwede na po kayo magtanong. Pwede nyo pong i-chat sa chat box natin. Babasahin ko po.
I have question, Mac.
Okay, go. Paul.
Yung regarding sa system.io, fully free ba siya or I mean, ma-publish ba yung site or need free lang yung pag-design, then if i-publish yung site, may bayad, may payment ba or wala?
Yeah, actually, I've tried System.io last year. They are providing subdomain lang, but hindi siya domain talaga. If you want to get that domain, then you need to pay for the domain. Uh,
Okay, thank you pa.
tama ba? Anyone, System.io users? Can you confirm? Uh, si Tessa, have you used System.io or Mitch? Yeah, but I think that's
Sorry, ano daw question?
the question is if ever ma-publish ba yung sa System.io na mga landing pages na designs.
If ma-publish ba? Yes, kailangan pa din kailangan pa din bumili ng domain.
Yeah, but there's temporary domain no na they can add.
Yes.
That's
Oo.
subdomain under System.io. It's like hindi siya friendly na
Mm-mm.
domain.
Yes.
So
Yes.
yung tatlong free is only design only na, final design.
Even
Yes.
may automation na ba? Wala. Wala. I don't think so. Panel lang siya.
Panel lang ako.
Site builder lang siya, Paul.
Okay.
Ah,
Thank
you can like start naman designing there as well. If naguguluhan kayo sa Accio, like, kasi Accio is kinda overwhelming kasi lahat nandun na eh. But if you want na focus lang with landing page design, you can start with System.io. Ayan.
Meron pa po tayo from Mitch. Can we personalize the URL of our scheduler sa Akio?
Scheduler. What do you mean by scheduler, Mitch?
A calendar booking appointment. So, diba may parang ano siya, app, something. Tapos, may option ka to put like,
Okay.
whatever sa end. Pero, parang off pa din yung
Okay. So ito siya. So I think you're trying to refer here sa URL redirects. So that's under site. And here's a URL redirects. But of course, you need to connect your domain muna. Once you connected your domain na, you can like create a URL redirect. For example, what domain ba? For example, ito siya, accio.io. What is the, for example, calendar? And then you can paste the calendar link here, yung app, that's something, or yung, I think mahaba yung link eh. Hindi siya readable, di ba?
Yeah.
So once you paste the meeting link here, and when I type accio.io slash yung sinet ko, for example, calendar, it will be shown na. For example, then sa atin, actually we've applied that. Actually, we're having the premium funnels.com/webinar. So yung nangyari here is we just added, maybe you can like add it in action talaga na. Para friendly yung nyo, like yung links, hindi siya magulo. Kasi ang hirap din mag-bookmark sometimes. Even me, nahirapan ako doon na part. So as you can see, like I have a lot of here, URL redirects like /Miro, /call, /hub, /webinar. Itong webinar natin ngayon, if I try to edit this, so ito yung link ng webinar, diba? It's coming from Zoom. So ito talaga siya. But I want this one to be branded sa business. So I just copy this, create a URL redirect, paste it here, and assign like a friendly name or slash webinar ba yan, slash call, slash free webinar, slash appointment. It depends on you. And the good thing is, unlimited siya. Yeah.
Thank you, Coach.
All right. So, do you have any questions? If wala, we're going to try to add a domain and email service. I think that's only 10 minutes. Yeah. No questions? Ayun. So, again, this is your ano ha, like we will not go back to this topic na. So, it will be great talaga if you ask talaga. But anyways, let's just proceed. So now, I have a sub account na, but I need to connect my domain. So, to start, once you have given na yung support natin, may binigay na silang username and password, all you need to do is go to settings, go to domains, scroll down lang, ito siya domains, and then we're going to add a new domain. So currently we have this, the premium funnels and ano. So what if I'm going to add another domain, no? So let me check ha, ano pa ba yung mga, if may mga vacant pa ba ako na domain here. Kasi I can't add the premium funnels na it's already configured. So, okay.
Coach, tanong lang po. One domain, 1:1 lang po ba yung domain?
1:1.
Yes.
What do you mean 1:1? Saan
Isang
ba?
funnel, isang domain, or isang website, isang domain.
Yes, oo. Kasi if you're going to add two funnels, malilito na siya if sino ba yung i-display niya once you type that ano.
Okay. Yun lang po. Thank
Okay,
you po.
All right, so I have these domains here, but my expired na tong isa this coming failed to renew. Okay. Ala, expired na pala yung ano natin, Tamarind PH. Failed to renew. Ito na lang, itong Rovic Sun Life Financial. So we're going to add this. Again, this can be in name.com, in Namecheap, or any domain registrar. When I say domain registrar, doon kayo bibili ng name or domain nyo. So ito, let's use this domain. So for example, you bought this domain. Punta ka lang sa domains and then add new domain. So paste that domain and then continue. Automatically, Accio will going to communicate, or we're going to find saan siya na host. And it is very smart enough to detect that this is coming from GoDaddy. Diba? There's no need for you to like copy and paste a lot of DNS record. Kasi the system automatically identifies that this domain is owned by GoDaddy. Okay? So this can be sound technical for some, but you can like replay this video or recording if you want. So it asked me to connect. Like GoDaddy wants to connect with Lead Connector, which is Accio or GHL. So ito lang, like, already to this confirm or connect. Once I hit connect, automatically connected na siya. So that's how easy. There's sometimes then there's an error, no? Hindi talaga siya successful automatic kasi it takes time for the domain to propagate. So meaning sa propagate, it's still distributing sa internet. That Rovic, for example, your domain is owned by GoDaddy. All right. So now we already added the domain. Okay. So now let's try to connect a funnel. So for example, you've created a funnel na on your let's check. Ano ba yung mga funnels na na-create natin here? For example, itong free premium funnel template na ibibigay natin sa community soon, pero hindi pa siya polished for mobile. So again, go back tayo sa domains. Domains. And then let's connect that funnel sa domain na to. Okay? So ito siya na domain na, di ba? So, Robic. The premium funnel. Ito siya. It says delete. Edit. Oh, I think there's a problem with adding the domain. So let's refresh this. So you have two options. It's either you go to domains under settings, or you go sa funnel itself and connect the domain there. Okay? I hope naka-follow lang ha. Kasi if you're having a client or i-onboard mo na yung first client mo, you need to know this talaga. It's a must, no? Okay. So maybe we can do the method number 2, which is going to the exact funnel. For example, this free premium funnel template. Punta ko here. And this is the funnel na. And I need to go to settings. And then choose lang ako ng domain. For example, okay, Robic. Ito na siya. And then that's it. Yeah. Make sure to save, no? To preview the changes. Okay.
Coach, nandiyan na kayo, Coach. Pwede magtanong how you add yung Favicon URL.
Okay, Favicon URL. It's very easy. You can like find or store your Favicon sa media. Do you know where to locate media? Ito siya. Open Media Library. And then maybe you can find icons, say for example ito. No. Open Media Library. You just need to get the link of that exact image file. But it's best if nandito na siya sa media library.
So you have
get-
to store it, upload it sa system.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Coach.
Or if nasa online, you just copy the image. So go back tayo sa na yan? Sites dashboard. Ayun, wala. So again, sites. So just to confirm, this is the image link. Ayan. So ito yung image link. And I want this one to be the favicon. So punta lang ako sa the premium funnels or sa funnel template na gusto nyong lagyan ng favicon. Go to settings and just paste the link. Ayan. Then save lang natin to siya. And now let's try accessing this domain. sunlifefinancial.com. Tama ba? Okay. So there is a problem with 1001. So what we can do is we're going to i-add natin ulit si domain. Kasi usually the domain we're going to propagate 24 to 48 hours talaga. Ganun katagal i-distribute ni internet. Take me to this domain is redirected to the okay. Yeah. So ganun katagal i-distribute ni internet yung domain. Okay? So ito siya. We're going to add ulit So domains. So type your domain. Again, it will going to search sino yung owner nito. Sinong registrar. So, si GoDaddy. Yeah, I think I've added this domain na, kaya nagkaganon. Okay, yeah. I think it's added na. Oo. Somewhere in the system. So, dapat kasi, isang domain lang. You cannot add, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-add with sub-account to a different sub-account. For example, I implemented it sa Accio. I cannot add it here sa the premium funnels na account. Gets lang. Meaning, the domain should be sitting on the same ano talaga. See, there's no edit feature. Unlike with this one na may ano siya, may edit. So this is how you can like select naman the exact page if ano. So for example, I'm going to choose this. So this is the name of the funnel, ha? So if I type this domain, itong thepremiumfunnels.com. Yeah. Let's going to compare Accio versus the standard servers, no? So again, the standard servers, we're going to propagate the domain 24 hours to 48 hours. But let's try if ma-propagate ba immediately ni ano, Accio. Refresh. So sometimes it takes time. DNS lookup. If you want to check like which country na propagate na yung ano, for example, ito siya, there are tools naman, no? DNS lookup. Domain propagation tool. Checker. Ito siya, DNS checker pala yun siya. So for example, you want to know saang country na ba siya na-propagate? Does it reach na the Philippines? So this is one way for you as well to like assess if you add the domain and then the client will going to tell, hindi pa siya nag-reflect. So, ito siya. So sa Philippines is, yan, wala pa. But for this country, it's already propagated na. Parang may X kanin. Ito siya. So sa India pala, hindi siya pwede ma-up kasi baka may regulation sila doon na sila ano lang, yung country lang nila yung pwede maka-access. Or hindi siya pwede ma-distribute yung content natin doon sa kanila. Okay? So, but rest assured, ano naman siya, it will going to propagate. I think we need to check pa the exact funnel and we need to change from there para it will going to really take effect. So we're going to change this to the premium funnels na. Okay. Then save. Let's try it one more time. Ayun. Yeah, I think it's due to caching. Yung ano ko is naka-cache na siya. Kaya hindi siya nag-reflect agad. But yeah, so far with with this discussion, do you have any questions related to to starting your designs with funnels, with JHL or Accio?
Ako, coach.
Yeah, go.
What are your tips to staying organized and doing the work faster? than expect.
Mm.
Like,
Yeah,
di
that's
ba? Opo.
question. Kasi it depends na personally na siya. Ito yung tips ko sa inyo when doing a client project. So I have like bookmarks, for example, clients, ENZ, then if ever that's automation. So naka-folder talaga yan siya lahat. Para if ever I want to grab the copy, the automation of that so at least I'll be guided. For example, the premium funnels, ito yung community, like the copywriting, and then the mock-up design na ginawa ni Paul sa and then the funnels natin, and then the preview niya, the edit na niya. So this can help me stay organized with my and I don't want kasi to spend time to navigate pa on those files. So this is talaga very helpful for you. And then my resources as well here, and ito siya. Para if I work, okay, nakalatag na siya lahat. All I need to do is be productive. So that's the one piece of advice. And maybe join ka sa natin. You need to be part talaga sa community. Kasi here sa under resources, nandito na rin. Sometimes I tend to like go talaga sa community para I can be like for example, like the must-have Chrome extensions. So at least eto na siya lahat. And as you've noticed, I have lots of Chrome extensions as well to help me to be more productive. And then these links are very helpful as well for me. So, yun. Like, you need to organize talaga yung everything.
Thanks,
Yeah.
Coach. What I mean is yung sa sa funnel,
Sa funnel.
inside the builder. Like, you don't have to do everything over and over again. You just have to say grab or drag the element, or yeah.
For that, siya. I have mood boards lang. Ito yung main ko sa mood boards. I'm planning to create templates, no? But na-postpone siya kasi but I have mood boards lang Mitch. For example, yung goal is like premium. So I'm just taking a look at some of the sections that I've created so far. Like maganda ba yung ganitong design? So I'll just follow this layout ulit. Oo. At least I have basis na for like ito siya is 2-column layout, and then this one is 1-section layout. And then others as well is my video. Ito siya 1 column. So ito siya, like kino-compile ko lahat ng mga nagawa so far para if ever I am going to create a new design, so at least I'll be like yeah, but I'm planning to create templates talaga for example, hero sections, like about us sections, may na tayo like 10 templates para all we need to do is like drag and drop na lang. Yeah, that is like a very great implementation if ever. Yeah, did I
Salamat,
answer,
Coach.
Mitch?
Yes po, salamat.
Alright. So I think that would be it if you don't have any questions. Okay. Alright guys, so that's it for me. So I'm done, Sheila.
Thank you so much, Coach. So, wala na ba talagang question? If wala na po, type 9. Para sure tayo na wala na kayong question or queries. Type 9 po tayo, guys. Okay. Oh, wala na talagang question si Ate Wendy. Okay. Before concluding today's webinar, we want to express our gratitude for your attending this evening. You all participated, wonderful contributing to the event success. So we hope you found the discussion as enjoyable as we. So thank you very much for coming for today's Premium Tuesday. So we also want to extend our gratitude once again to our wonderful sponsor, Tamarind Boost Pro, Akio White Level Service, the Bisaya Coder, MJ Lax Nail, Santi Barley, DXN, Circuit Safe, Mac UV Dome, Pick and Mix Creative Fashion, and Pure Harvest Coconut Product. Your support has made this webinar possible. Again, see you every Tuesday, people. So thank you very much for coming. I hope, Ma'am Rowena, magkikita pa tayo ulit for the third time. And so, the other po. Sana magkita po tayo ulit sa Tuesday. So, since patapos na po to, let's take a photo off po. Open lang po tayo ng cam. Okay. So, one screen lang po siya. We will take 2 shots. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay.